Hi, in this video session, I am going to explain about basic proportionality theorem of class 10. So this theorem also called as a Thales theorem. So first statement, if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. That means if you draw a triangle and draw a parallel line, suppose A, B, C and DE is the DE is parallel to BC. So the ratio of this line intersects at 2 points, then other two sides are divided into same ratio. That means AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. If you take anywhere, suppose if I am taking here, suppose A, B, C, D, E also. So this also we can take it AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Suppose if you take here also XY, suppose AX by XB equal to AY by YC. AY by YC. So anywhere. So but it should be parallel. It should be so a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect other two sides in distant points. The other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So even though scalene triangle suppose I am going to take a scalene triangle like this. So that is, if you like this, so ABC. So this one is parallel to BC. Then AD by DB equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. Now we are going to prove that how the proof is going on. Please see. First you draw a triangle. I want to draw a big triangle so you can understand. A, B, C. D is parallel. D is parallel. So we are going to prove that AD by DB equal to AE by EC. DE is parallel to BC. So AD by DB equal to AE by EC. So here the given triangle, given that triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. So what we are going to prove? To prove AD by DB equal to AE by EC. AD by DB equal to AE by EC. This is what we are going to prove. Once again, if you draw a line parallel to this line BC, so these 2 points divide these two lines into same ratio, that is AD by DB equal to AE by EC. So this is the first of all. So how to prove? So how to prove means we are actually theorem having that statement given to prove construction, proof, conclusion, everything is there. Again, while you are taking the theorem means some parts are there. That is statement given to prove. Next one is construction, next one is proof, after that last one is conclusion. Now we are going to take the part of AD by DB equal to AE by EC is the proof. So for this one we are going to construction. About construction, draw a perpendicular from E. Draw a perpendicular from E. Let it be N. EN is the perpendicular. Another perpendicular M. DM is perpendicular and EN is the perpendicular. So draw DM is perpendicular to AE or AC, both same line, and EN is perpendicular to AB or AD. Next, join BE DC. Join BE and DC. Join BE and DC. This is first. So this is the construction part to prove we are going. So first of all we are taking that AD by DB. How we are taking AD by DB? AD by DB. Here proof. First of all, please see A, B, E big triangle if you are taking. Here one triangle is ADE triangle and BDE triangle. Two triangles are there. Suppose if I am taking like this, you can understand. Suppose here, like this. A, B, E and D. Here one triangle is there here. That is EN is the perpendicular and BD is another triangle. This is obtuse angle triangle. This is obtuse angle triangle. So obtuse angle triangle base this one, sir. So here AD by DB you want. That's why we are taking this line. AD by DB you want means first you take this line. So in this line there are two triangles are there. That is ADE triangle, BDE triangle. So area of triangle ADE. Here I am writing area of triangle ADE equal to, so we are taking relation triangle BDE, that equal to area of ADE means ADE base into height, half into base into height, half into base is AD into height is EM by here this triangle ka height, this is the base, so base angle is obtuse angle, that's why outside altitude is the outside. So actually if you take obtuse angle triangles, the base angle is obtuse, so this is outside, so perpendicular that altitude is outside, so half into what is the base, BD is the base, so BD into EM. So half BD, sorry, EN cancel, we get AD by BD. We get AD by BD. This is first half. Suppose if you take another one, that is AE by EC. AE by EC triangle is like this. So this is AEC like this and D joining. Same. So here this is the base, this is the altitude, that is M. DM is the altitude. So this angle is obtuse angle, so DEC ka triangle is also obtuse angle, same as BDE. So area of triangle ADE by area of CDE, triangle CDE, that is half into, now base is changed, AE by DM, AE into DM by half into base is C, CE into DM, altitude, half into base into height. So half DM cancel, so AE by EC. This entire theorem based on areas. This entire theorem is based on triangular area. So we are taking the ratio AD by DB equal to AE by CE or EC. Now, how can you equal? That is the main point. How can you equal means, here if you take this part D like this, DE, BC. So join of these two B and DC between two parallel lines. Already we told that DE is parallel to BC and same base DE. Same base DE. Same base DE means if you see this base is DE, same base and same heights, so that the area of BDE equal to area of CDE. So between triangular area of triangle BDE is equal to area of CDE, because having same base DE, and between those two parallel lines DE is parallel to BC. That's why both areas are same. So these two areas are same. So area of BDE area and area of CDE area is there. So numerator and numerator also equal. These two are equal. Therefore, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CDE. That means AD. So these two are equal. These two are equal. So that we are taking this AD by BD is equal to AE by EC. AD by BD equal to AE by EC. This is first condition. After that, corollary, we are taking that remaining ratios also. So first of all, listen carefully. If a line is drawn parallel to the one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distant points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So let the given triangle is ABC. So D is parallel to BC. To what we are going to prove? AD by DB equal to AE by EC. What we are going to prove? AD by DB equal to AE by EC. So to prove this one, we are taking the construction by the help of construction. So draw DM is perpendicular to AC or AE. That is our wish. A DM is perpendicular to AC. EN is perpendicular to AB. Join BE and DC. BE and DC. First of all, we are taking that first triangle, that is ADE BDE. ADE BDE. First triangle is ADE and BDE, like this. For our understanding, we are writing like this. I am writing like this. So here En is. So this area triangle ADE half into AD into En and BDE, because this is obtuse angle triangle, that's outside. This altitude is outside, half into BD into En. So after En half cancel, get AD by BD. Same as this CDE also. ADE and CDE. So perpendicular altitude is here. So DM. So that we are taking that triangle ADE, same as first one, half into A into DM by half into C into DM. This is obtuse angle triangle. Outside is the altitude. So DM half cancel AE by EC. So after that, what we are doing? We are going to equaling these two, but ADE are equal, numerators are equal. Here BDE and CDE should be equal. So we are taking this remaining part like this. So I am drawing like this for your understanding. DE and BC. So joining BE and CD. So between two parallel lines, there are two triangles are having same base. BDE, CDE. D is the same base between the two parallels. So heights are same. So that area of triangle BDE and the triangle CD are same. Therefore, these two are equal. So that AD by BD equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. So this is the basic proportionality theorem up to here. Now this extension like this. Suppose if you take one triangle, you can write, suppose take like this, A, B, C. Suppose DE I am taking again. So the ratio is AD by DB equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. You can write AB by AD also. AB by AD equal to AC by AE. So you can remaining things also you can same AB by AD, AC by AE. And also another one, BD by AD. If you start BD by AD, that is the reciprocal. AD. So that EC by or CE by EA or AE. Like this. And also if you take AB by BD also. AB by BD. AB by BD, this part. AB by BD. AC by CE or EC. AC by EC. You can take it. Sometimes we are taking the DM. Suppose if you take, see that big triangle and small triangle. or small triangle to big triangle. That is the first one. While you are writing the ratio, see here, I am taking big triangle AB, first triangle, big triangle. Next one AD is the small triangle. AC, big triangle, small triangle is AE. Suppose if you start with the small triangle to big triangle, start with AD by AB, AE by AC. So like this also we can take it. So next one is suppose AB by AD. Suppose AB by AD equal to AC by AE. AC by AE. One more thing is there. BC by DE also. BC by DE also there. So finally, while you are getting these type of ratios, while you are seeing that, first starting, suppose if you start with small triangle, then you take next triangle, big triangle. Otherwise, if you take big triangle, then take second triangle, that is small triangle. So ratios, while you are seeing the ratios, suppose if you, according to the question also, please follow the condition. According to that, you can get correct ratios. According to that, you can take the correct ratios. So this is the basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. Thank you, sir.